In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can have empty data points appear as a line between your non-empty data points in Microsoft Excel. So by default, whenever you have empty data points that you're trying to graph in Microsoft Excel, it will show up as a blank, which makes a graph a little bit confusing and not easy to read or follow. But if you have it filled with a line instead, then Excel will interpolate between the points and draw a straight line between the non-empty points. So to do this, we want to click on the graph, then click on this little filter icon. From here, we want to click on Select Data. Now, after clicking on Select Data, we want to click on Hidden and Empty Cells. And then from here, we want to click on Connect Data Point with a line. And after doing that, click OK. Click OK again. Empty data points are now shown as an interpolated point between the lines. Now, this is great because it's better than showing nothing a lot of the cases and can make your graph easier to read and follow. But to change this back, we click on the filter icon, click on Select Data, click on Hidden and Empty Cells, and then you can either have these empty cells shows as zeros or gaps. Okay, a couple times apply settings, and there you go. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.